Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous Ravenna blue metallic paint, featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll also have peace of mind motoring with the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer warranty. Starting off at the front, you've got those LED performance headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions, as well as these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels and power folding heated wing mirrors. Towards the rear is a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats. As you can see, you've also got the optionally fitted wind deflector there. Moving inside, you get signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front is a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display. You've also got that heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got plenty of assistance systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including front assist and much more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors available. We've even got an optionally fitted rear view camera. Multiple driver modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And moving a little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control on offer with heated front seats, again perfect for these cold winter mornings, with a little bit of storage below with the optionally fitted wireless phone charging and a couple more USB ports. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.